Hi YouTube, today we're currently playing Pillow Fighting Simulator 2018, because it's 2018. We got a little update, a Christmas update, and I've bought the elf hat already. As you can see, I got the elf hat right now. Got the little elf hat on. Got this little nice elf hat right on. A sparkle tiny elf hat. But right now we're currently waiting for, it's a game starts in 4, 3, 2, 1. Because I was already playing. Oh snap, team deathmatch. I'm on blue team, darn it. Ooh, a red team. Red team, bro! This is rap guy. What you heard. This is what you hear and listen. Huh?
That's what you're doing.
Okay, I'm sorry. Oh darn, I'm out recording.
I'm out of it. My other way.
They can see you, you know. But actually they can't, because the treasure chest is covering you. Never mind, I take that back. Treasure chest is covering you. You're lucky that treasure chest icon is right there. You are lucky. Guys, I'm gonna get on this order right now, real quick. This is girl. She's back. I bet she wants to do revenge. It's gonna give it to you. What? You did on your own. It's gonna deliver it to you. Not open up the door to steal. Knock a bucker with the pain to chill. Such a good heart. Not open. I am the king of Pillow Fighting Sim. Oh, dude, he knocked me right into the lava. This guy knocked me right into the lava. Wolf Bunny guy knocked me right up into the lava, guys. Right into it. Directly. He was right up. In water. Darn it. Well, time to kill people with pillows. Time to kill them. Time to murder them. You're prepared to die. Prepare to die, all citizens. All citizens. Prepare for the madness. Prepare for the madness. Let's go to the... Oh, somebody has to have a pillow. On 4 we jump off instead oblivious. Actually, on 1. No! I'm missing it. No. It's deep. Oh. Chip potato hoarder. Chip. My pillow. Chip potato hoarder. Chip potato hoarder. Could be so big. The chip. The potato. The chip potato. Chip potato. Chip potato. Tobacco. Chill. I was gonna give it to you. Racist. Wow, this guy is so racist. Hashtag wolf guy is racist. Guys, hashtag wolf bunny guy is racist. He's so stupid. He didn't even know. Run for freedom. I hit him. Oh, they come in. Tag team. I'm halfway dead. Why is this guy just trying to hit? This guy is so racist. Why is everybody in this game racist? Oh, wolf guy. You Fat boy are coming to poop. Fat boys are coming to poop. Fat boy, fat boy, fat boy. It's gonna think the same thing. We're in 3, 2. See. Wait. That's a beautiful. Hey, sup, church. We're going on a trip. Default. Kill everyone else for it to win. I am the king. One. There's a 20 once to 1. Oh, let's go. Let's go to liberty and not open up the door to steal. Not knock a bucket with the stand to chill. I got such a good heart that I'm a king. I was yeah. Don't go on getting twisted. This is not what she's gonna get murdered. One more hit equals her murder. Equals one more hit equals her death. One more hit equals her death, guys. One more hit. No, one more hit, 2 more hit, a couple more hits equals my death. Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone. This is a person that you have to target. Racist. Guys, we're leaving this game real quick. We're gonna play Scam. Free Robux games are scams. But okay, what should we use? Guys, we're gonna play Trash Hunt Simulator. This game is sort of boring. Sorry, Henry Dev, but it's like a bit boring and a bit not boring. I don't know what you can call it. Like, I guess you can say it's good in between good and between good and bad. Good and between bad. I don't know. Decent. It's pretty decent. Oh, I reloaded straight up and reloaded it. All the way. Guys, we're jumping into this hole. I think if this guy keeps on going to this hole, that means this hole is actually pretty good. There's like this deep down far. Oh my gosh. Pretty far. Getting decently far. I got the big boy vacuum. Guys, I got the big boy vacuum, man. True party. Meet. Get it on your own. Shout out to True Party. Shout out. Go to spawn. So. Our own hole. Since we both are YouTubers. We are both YouTubers. Not open to go to steal. Guys, shout out to, what is his name? Senator. Guys, comment down below Hashtag to use. Hashtag YouTuber party. Comment down below. Hashtag YouTube party. I told you. Me like the party. Me like the party. Where ya? Go to cell. Go to cell. Go to cell. Go to cell. Someone's about to go to cell so we can record together for a bit. Oh my gosh. I'm so well. Excuse me. Guys, we all burp, so don't say it in the comments. Or comment your I'll just leave you. Okay, we're getting all these blocks from up here. Yo, ready, go. I'm just gonna give it to you. So we here wreck it. See? I got a mic. So I can to where we so I don't got where we down we go. Oh. Oh. I said oh. Straight down to chest. I'm gonna end a bit. Guys, in a bit I'm gonna end the video, so I might end the video in a bit, so just know that. No, this is YouTubers hold only. This is YouTubers hold only. If guys, tell them this is YouTubers hold only. Do you wreck? You wreck. Guys, shout out to Character, I think. Guys, comment down below. Hashtag YouTubers invading. It's gonna give it to you. Yeah, get it on your own. Oh, guys, the big site's about to collapse. This is collapsing. 3. I wanna have like an epic hole jump. Oh, Dad, you're going to show up for the news gun. as the game was frozen. Oh no.